My name is Joan Standora. I am the Director of Chemical Dependency Counseling and the Substance Abuse Counseling Certificate Program at Kingsborough Community College, which is one of the colleges in the City University of New York system. Women, generally with kids who have substance abuse problems, are not able to access the kinds of services that they need with their children. I ran a women's program with children for several years, and it was one of the few that were available to them that they could bring in 3 or 4 kids into that facility. But generally speaking, women are not able to find services for themselves with their kids, and they're separated from their children. For methadone-maintained women, I had a program of women who came in during the day and could bring their kids in. The program only lasted for about a year. It was not really supported in the way that it needed to be, and so it ended, and the women went back to being outpatients in the methadone program, bringing their children to the clinics. There are a lot of obstacles for them because not only do they have problems finding resources, but often they don't have the money to obtain quality treatment. Economic issues are very large. They often have to stay in situations with partners that are abusive or that are certainly not representative of healthy relationships. And they can't leave because they have the kids and the kids need to be fed. They had nutritional counseling, they had psychological counseling, substance abuse counseling, and then eventually they would have education and job development. So many of those women went through that program in about a year or so and were moved on to then another form of housing. So they were followed. They had a continuum of care that allowed them eventually to move out and become independent with their kids. And the outcomes were really pretty good.